Prison Break, Cell Edition. Life was good for Hippo and Lippo. It was a constant stream of platelet parties, cholesterol particles, and RBC organizations. Lippo, the smart LDL, was even known to have caused a heart attack or two, the biggest achievement so far for LDL community, for which he was also conferred the Guard of Honor. On the other hand, his brother Hippo did not have many such achievements to his name. He was the not-so-smart aka stupid LDL. Both were well known with the community. One day, however, fate decided to take its toll on Hippo. While playing in the extracellular space, Hippo and Lippo had an argument and Hippo rushed off in tears.
Lippo!
Quoi?
Bonjour!
Hippo, tais-toi, stupide! Tu es défectueux! Ah!
Tu es si méchant!
An LDL receptor, who was one of the members of the mafia doing LDL trafficking, was well known to have tricked many innocent LDLs to be endocytosed to the prison and later death by godfather lysosome.
Hi, honey! What did you get for me?
Amazing news! Stupid's alone!
Hey, you guys! You have to kidnap Stupid.
This LDL takes advantage of the upset Hippo and attracts his signal sequence.
What's happening?
Hippo doesn't realize what he's being tricked into until his signal sequence gets stuck on the LDL receptor. Next thing Hippo knew was the code proteins assembling on the other side of the membrane wall, who were to escort him to the chamber of death. Meanwhile, Lippo in the extracellular space is informed by an RBC about what happened to his brother Hippo. Immediately, he realizes what calamity had just struck them.
How dare those receptors internalize my brother? I'm going to get him. But I'm definitely going to need help. Time to see the infidels.
Driven by his love and devotion for his brother, Lippo decides to sacrifice everything to bring Hippo back from the clutches of death.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Here Lippo transforms himself and imprints his master plan on himself.
I'm ready. All I need to do is stop the lysosome degradation.
Quickly, Lippo finds an LDLR and gets engulfed to be escorted by the code proteins to the dark chamber. Luckily, Lippo spots his stupid brother Hippo in the same kind of vesicle next to him being targeted to the same dark chamber. While on his way, Lippo notices a dark prison beyond the dark chamber he's being targeted to and hears screaming of some of his old LDL friends who were now being eaten by the godfather lysosome. Quickly, Lippo pulls out his laser gun and shoots at the ATP proton pump master on the dark chamber. This mutates the proton master. Soon, he and his dearest stupid brother get recruited in retrieval vesicles which are targeted back to the membrane. Hippo and Lippo safely reach the membrane. Lippo is very happy that his plan is now being fulfilled, but he realizes he still needs to get detached from the receptor.
This is my final move. I'm going to shoot the binding sites and mutate them with my laser gun.
And finally, in some time, both Hippo and Lippo come off the receptors.